guys, we're out here today with my dad's 2021 Silverado and my 2009 Silverado. Here are the difference between new and old cars. Let's start off with this one. This one gets 14 miles to the gallon, V8 5.3. Same as this one, except this one gets 18 miles to the gallon. Has okay brakes, burns about a quart of oil every 1,000 miles, and smokes like there's no tomorrow. And this is only a 4x4. Mine is the Z71. Mine, brakes haven't been replaced, 15 years old, they're fine. 128,000 miles, 56,000 miles. No, 58,000 miles. Doesn't burn oil, and always trustworthy. See you guys.